Oh, so first that you don't have no fat in here when you're cooking.
You eat your burgers with that much pink in them?
Sometimes.
Yeah, that's how I eat it too.
Oh, I like mine more cooked.
It's not a, like, it's not bleeding.
Some
like
people-
some are,
No.
that's
I don't know.
medium.
I don't like it.
When I was a girl cook at the knitting factory, yeah, I cooked it like that.
Oh.
It's some people like it 135.
Okay, here, cut this one up a little bit. See if that's done. There you go.
Oh. What was on that, Josie? Nothing? Really?
No.
Seems like it's gonna be even.
Brian, thanks for cooking.
Oh,
That's perfect.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
you eat this one and then the noodles,
That was perfect, right there.
Yeah, I'll just...
then the burger.
Can I have the, yeah, I'll take that and try to make it.
The size of the cheese. Oh, that's the cheese.
What?
Just trying to switch it over here.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Mom, you want to put it right here?
Put it on top.
Huh?
We don't have bowls. You just leave it right there.
What is it?
Hot pan right behind.
No, I want you to put in here, like this.
Oh, okay.
I don't want it in there. No, don't put it
Mom,
in there.
do not touch it. It's hot.
Better?
Then you have to stir it first.
Look at this. Who wants?
The bread's actually fine, just like that.
Hmm?
Yeah, you can toast it.
Put it here.
I will.
And get a bowl. Like this.
Look at this. Ooh, that looks good. Right? Doesn't that look delicious? Spicy seafood.
Can you cut another one like this, Jose?
What happened?
I'm gonna try it.
Oh, I'm gonna get mine.
I'm not gonna double dip. Mom, don't worry.
Get me one like this.
Okay.
So could you get me like this?
I can't believe you ate these that raw. Oh my gosh, Josie.
Oh, Mom, that's good.
Okay, get a bowl.
Oh, that's delicious.
Oh no.
Thank you for sharing your noodles.
I'm looking all of my burger.
Yeah,
What?
half it and then you can give me.
Why you
Can I
using
use? Can you wipe this
I
for me?
was losing it.
Right.
That's okay.
Okay. Right.
I think I'm full now.
it? You what?
Mukbang. Who wants some noodles? There's plenty here.
What kind of noodles are there?
Spicy seafood mixed with chow mein.
Oh, you did a combo?
Mm-hmm. Combos are always the best when it comes to noodles. Too bad we don't have bok choy and eggplant, because that would be really good. If you
Okay,
saute it.
that's enough. Thank you, Josie.
Mm-hmm.
The burger is actually good.
You want this one?
Shit, that's hot. No, I'm okay.
It's actually good. Thanks. You weren't expecting it to be good? Oh.
I can't wait to see Hurricane Reggie then tomorrow.
Is that where it's really snowy, huh?
Huh?
Snowy.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna do Liberty Lake Loop with us this summer?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Oh, maybe Velma can come.
Yeah.
Hey, can you do that next burger? Can you do that burger for them?
Oh, are you having burgers with us?
Just half with Mom.
Wow, I was hungry. And then you can sign where we signed it, you know?
Last time we was there was 7/16/2017.
What?
I can do the rest.
Ito na soup in it. The juice. Could you put some juice?
Thank you.
No noodles. Just, there's enough juice. Yes.
These are organic beef burgers.
Where'd you guys get it? Huckleberries?
Safeway, actually.
Oh wow.
No.
I like onion.
Really helping me.
Really?
I was gonna pass out, I felt like. Yeah, I just haven't had a meal, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, those are driving, so.
It wasn't as tiring today, though, as the other days. Today wasn't bad.
Of course.
You think Elias is having fun with Jason? See, that's why Elias doesn't need to leave. He has a good friend at home. You know?
Yeah, see, if my dad was like that, I don't know how often I would leave, too. My dad never wanted to do the things I wanted to do.
See,
That's
Jason's a good dad.
I mean,
Yeah. Sometimes the parenting makes a big deal. Jason is like a friend and a dad.
Yep. Oh, your noodles are thin.
I know.
Why are they so thin?
They're like
These are udon noodles.
It looks like it.
Okay, can you put that in? It's hard for me to cut last time. My noodles are cold now.
This is definitely a mukbang. All kinds of food.
There's the burger. Josie. He's not now.
you guys just gonna put it between you?
What? This is yours, no?
This is yours, and Josie's.
Oh,
Wherever
wow.
you guys want to put it.
Can you put mine in here, Josie?
Okay.
Yeah.
Burger. Thank you.
If you need more ketchup,
Thank you
it's
for
right there.
cooking.
What bit?
I said if you need more ketchup, it's right here.
No. But yeah, so it's fine.
Okay, just put the half in there. The one there.
Which one do you want?
The one.
Oh my god, it's like Jason. He always cooks for everyone first, and then he cooks for himself last. He even cooks Boog before him. Boog gets his own burger.
Aww.
What I need to do is get him a big pan. He has a tiny pan.
Oh my god. Are you recording yourself, Josie?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
I didn't know you've been recording yourself.
You didn't realize that?
No.
Yeah, I just said this is quite a mukbang.
Where's your hamburger?
It's burnt. It's cooking up.
Have you ate one?
When are you making
A little
it?
bit, I don't know.
I had a
Watch out
half.
for the dogs.
The Laura. What?
Watch out for the dogs.
I know. I'm seeing it. They're right next to you. Smoky here. Got all the windows open and it's still smoky.
Isn't that what you brought your sport for, Josie?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that what you brought your what?
Oh no, Josie.
I hope nothing comes in
You
here.
guys should come and hike. And it's not even nearly as
There's
hard
some
as
more
Liberty
onions
Lake
there,
Loop.
Mm-hmm.
Over at Mount Spokane,
Yeah.
where Ryan and I went. Remember Mount Spokane?
Mm-hmm.
We should take them there for
Ooh,
something
this
different.
burger is good.
Mm-hmm. We should.
This is organic burger. Wow.
Yes, organic beef.
That's where we'll go. You haven't been up there yet. That'll be different scenery. And it's not as hard. I kind of feel like it has better scenery, actually, of the mountains, you know?
Mom was saying we should go to Coeur d'Alene.
Yeah, the hike there is nice, too.
Oh, you want to eat the hamburger? Habang it's my...
Benny, give me.
Why don't you sit down there? Oh, you just stay here with me.
What's that?
Oh, Mom just came.
Woo!
Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Yeah. I don't know if it's from smoke or.
Yeah, you need to eat. Did you drink? You want water, right?
I'm gonna drink some, yeah.
Okay.
Benny, give me.
They're just right next to you, so.
Wow,
Also,
and
being in the
that's
car all day can make you do that. Make you feel that way.
Yeah.
Do you see your hamburger?
Benny.
There's some more there.
No, I will. I'm just trying to eat my salad right now. Salad's good.
There is some more in the salad, Joshua. You better gonna eat that one.
Oh, you didn't melt it.
I don't know. I don't like mine super melty. I like it kind of still cheddary.
Have you ever tried this, Josie?
No.
You should try it.
You get that at Fred Meyer too?
Mm-hmm.
In the healthy section?
That's just in the Asian section, actually.
Yeah.
Sorry, boys, you can eat your oatmeal and meat soon.
How come you guys don't just go to like the Asian market? They have all
Kind of
kinds
far
of.
from us.
I could just walk to the Asian market. I go across the bridge. Me and Jason used to walk to the Asian market
Really?
all the time, yeah. It's a nice walk. It's about 20 minutes.
There's more onion there.
Okay.
Mom, do you want more noodles?
Yeah. It's sitting right there. Spicy.
Gosh, we're really eating a lot of food here.
Josie, I want you to try this.
When did you start getting dizzy?
Here, try.
Okay,
good.
hold on.
Probably when Laura started eating and then started getting hungry, I think. When you see someone else
See what you
eat.
think. Okay.
Oh, these are the good pho noodles.
Yeah, they're good. They're good. Yeah. Because it's just made out of rice.
No, Benny.
You can just have the rest if you want. Is it spicier?
You can
than
definitely
the one we
taste the ginger.
Can you please pass the ketchup, Ben?
had? Is it spicier?
Yeah, it's good. It's very spicy. Spicier than ours, Mom. Did you try this? Try it.
I'm full now. Oh, I'm full. Wow. My God.
Brian, have some salad.
Yeah.
Get some there.
Oh.
No, he doesn't want this time. So we have to eat the salad.
Not good.
I'll get some of the salad, Jason.
Let me get a napkin.
What kind of noodle is this one?
Udon.
Noodle?
Udon.
And what flavor?
Spicy seafood.
Chicken?
Spicy seafood.
What?
Spicy seafood.
You just... Benny, give me!
What are the dogs? Oh,
You just attacked it like a dog.
Right. I can't wait to have coffee tomorrow. You guys better pack tonight so we can leave.
Do we even have any coffee for tomorrow?
Whatever's in that bag.
Oh, that's not much at all.
It's hot.
Your mouth.
Is it?
I was a little confused. What were we gonna see something at Quinault Lake, or it just got too late?
Stop.
We were
Who,
supposed to do a loop.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah.
A nature loop. And then we were going to get out of the car and walk to
Around the
big
lake?
tree.
Around that
Tree
lake.
thing.
I got too late.
Because
Someone wanted to see whales.
you wanted to see whales.
The whales was more beautiful, I think.
Yep.
Let's go see again.
The whales was way better.
Yep.
Do you want to see them before? Are we headed that direction?
Yeah, let's
Oh.
see them. So we have to make sure to wake up early, okay?
They can. You could probably see them eating, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Wake up early. I'm the first one not making coffee.
Love you.
Everybody get up. I'm not gonna shower tomorrow. I just wanna go.
Yeah, I'm not either.
I'm gonna wash my hair when we get home.
Uh-huh. That was a damn good burger.
Wow.
Well, it seems like the air conditioning is on. It's cold air.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Ryan?
I didn't touch it, Mom.
I think my inhaler costs.
You have a lot of
Let's
food to
put
eat,
this in the
Mumsy.
fridge.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Let's put it there.
Candy.
Oh yeah, we haven't even opened these cookies. Oh, these are good in the microwave, actually.
Yep.
Mom, where'd you get this? Costco?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
What? No. Oh, yeah.
We can eat it tomorrow.
Who wants a cookie? I'm on my period.
Is that done?
Gross.
Brian, I'm so glad that we made the sunset.
Mm-hmm.
That was nice because it's our last night here, you know.
They're kind of hard.
So we ended where it
Are you
started.
having one?
That was real nice.
Somebody wants one. Josie, do you want one? Do you want to try a cookie, Josie?
Chocolate?
Warmed up. You can try it.
Sure.
It's
Do you want one?
allergy free, non GMO.
Oh,
You got it where? They look good. Soft baked.
Are you done?
I'm gonna end my mukbang with a cookie.
I think they're kind of old though, so
Are you saying the date on them is not good anymore?
it says that it's okay, but I'm not sure.
That's something I don't want to be eating. Is an old cookie. 6/17/2019. Still good.
This one the most.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here. Grab one. Josie. Right there. Yeah, it's soft.
Yeah.
It is. I almost used that this morning too, and I was like, it looks old. I don't want to use that one. We could go down there and get one.
Yeah.
We'll go down there. Hurry before it gets hot. Or, oh, okay. Stirring it again.
Oh, there's something inside?
Yeah, try it.
And we have this now, the dog.
What?
I don't want no more.
No.
No, I already did it.
Oh. Just.